In front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Apps over here. Then click on Permissions twice and pick one of your device's features, like Location. Tap on it and select one of your apps. I will go with Maps, because it has a lot of options. Now select one of those by tapping on the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps gained access to this device location. But you can always just tap on one of your apps, scroll down and choose the all maps permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!